What is the solution of the equation 3 times x plus 1 to second power minus 6 is equal 21? So let me copy our equation. We have x plus 1 to second power, so this is quadratic equation. 3 times x plus 1 to second power minus 6 is equal 21. What I will do first, because we have 3, 6 and 21, we can divide both sides by 3. But first I will factorize 3 from these two expressions. So we will have 3 and in brackets what will be from the first expression only x plus 1 to second power minus will be 2. 3 times 2 is 6, so everything is still the same, and we have this is equal 21. Now I can divide both sides by 3. So we see that 3 and 3 we can reduce, and we have whatever we have in brackets. So this is x plus 1 to second power minus 2. I don't need now right brackets. This is equal 21 divided by 3 is 7. What next? I will move negative 2 to the right side. So x plus 1 I will copy to second power. This is equal 7. We copy negative 2 to the right side, so it will be plus 2 now. So we have x plus 1 to second power is equal 7 plus 2 is 9. Now we will take the square root of both sides. So we will have x plus 1 is equal square root of 9, of course, plus minus square root of 9. So we have that x plus 1, we don't need the parentheses now, is equal plus minus square root of 9 is 3. We have two solutions. X plus 1 can be equal 3, or x plus 1 can be equal negative 3. So we have two linear equations. We need to solve them. So I will move again positive 1 to the right side. So it will be x is equal 3 minus 1. So x is equal 2. And here what will be? X is equal negative 3 positive 1 to the right side, so it will be negative 1. So x is equal negative 4. So we got two solutions of our quadratic equations, 2 and negative 4. So this is our solution to this equation, negative 4 and 2.